If your breakfast is boring, you're not doing keto right. Let's jazz it up with some scrumptious cinnamon chaffles. Today, we're whipping up some mouth-watering keto cinnamon chaffles, and trust me, your taste buds will thank you. First, grab your waffle maker and preheat it. While that's heating up, let's mix our ingredients. You'll need 1 egg, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a generous sprinkle of cinnamon. Crack that egg into a bowl and whisk it like you mean it. Now, toss in the shredded cheese, almond flour, baking powder, and cinnamon. Stir it all up until it's well combined. Pour the mixture into your preheated waffle maker, close the lid, and cook for about 4-5 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Pop those bad boys out and let them cool for a minute. Then, top them with a bit of butter and a sprinkle of more cinnamon if you like. And there you have it! Delicious keto-friendly cinnamon chaffles ready in minutes, perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. Remember, keto doesn't have to be boring. Stay tuned for more yummy recipes. Catch you next time, chaffle champs!